representing Illinois injury victims for over 40 years, Jay Janssen. One name says it all.
On my job, a lot of drivers have a problem with their arm, their shoulder, rotary cuff, but they go to the safety manager and they file a report as far as worker compensation, but the safety manager denies them. What can you do about that?
All right, first of all, it's very important when you go to a doctor to give the doctor a good history of how the injury occurred. What is the work you do, how that work affects your arm or shoulder, and how causation is established is many times by history, by what you tell the doctor. And then the doctor puts that in his records, indicating the type of job that you have and how that would cause the type of injury that you have. So it's very important when you go to a doctor, and by the way, you don't have to go to the company doctor. You can select your own doctor, but your employer can request that you go to a particular doctor for an examination, for an evaluation. But you can go to your own doctor, and you can even go to that doctor's suggestion. You can pick 2 doctors of your own and their referrals, so you could end up with 10 or 12 doctors, actually. So you're not restricted to the employer's doctor, but the key thing there is the history you give the doctor so he understands the nature of your job and how it affected you. And I think with that type of history, regardless of what the safety manager says, I think the Industrial Commission is going to compensate you if the doctor then establishes causal relationship between your job and the injury that was sustained. Remember, that's a medical condition. Doctor, you have an opinion based upon a reasonable degree of medical certainty whether or not this lady's job caused, aggravated, or precipitated the condition she now has. The doctor said yes, you've won your case.
The Janssen Law Center, representing Illinois injury victims for over 40 years.
I am always proud to be able to tell my clients, if we do our job right, you get us at the Janssen Law Center for free and a whole lot more. Contact us for a free consultation to protect your rights on your injury claim.
Jay Janssen. One name says it all.